iPhone 17 Pro Max, Scratchgate. Users shocked after just one day. Imagine this. You walk into the Apple Store, the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max in deep blue is shining under the lights. You pick it up, feel the smooth finish, and think, this is the most beautiful iPhone yet. But then, just hours after bringing it home, you notice something strange. Tiny hairline marks on the frame. Light scratches on the back. At first you think, maybe it's dust, maybe I can wipe it off. But no, the scratches are real. And you're not alone. All over the world, new iPhone 17 Pro Max owners are posting pictures of scratches appearing way too soon, some even on display models inside Apple stores. The darker finishes like deep blue and space black seem to show the marks even more. The reason? Apple's move from titanium to aluminum this year. It makes the phone lighter, but also softer. Combine that with glossy dark colors, and suddenly every little scuff looks 10 times worse. Even MagSafe chargers and demo stands are leaving marks. Fans are calling it Scratchgate. Some feel disappointed, spending so much on a premium device only to see it marked within a day. Others say it's just part of using a phone and cases are a must. The truth is, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is gorgeous, but it's also delicate. If you want that deep blue to stay flawless, a case and screen protector might not be optional, they might be essential. So, the big question is, should Apple have chosen beauty over durability? Or is it on us, the users, to protect it like glass? One thing's certain, the conversation about iPhone 17 scratches has only just begun.